Everyone, today we'll be starting with question number 10. The date is 8/5/2020, Friday, again 4th period. There is a formula x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y, x square plus x square plus y square. The first question is 27y cube plus 125z cube. I can write 27 as 3y cube, 125 as 5z cube. It will become 3y, a, x and 5z, y. Put this value in the formula x plus y, that means 3y plus 5z, 3y square plus 3y into 5z plus 5z square. It will remain as it is. 3y square means 9y square plus 3y is 15yz plus 25z square is the answer. Second part says 64m cube plus minus 343n cube. Again the same formula. There is a negative sign between. X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y. The sign change. If it is minus, it will minus only. X square plus xy plus y square. 64m cube I can write 4m cube. 343 I can write as 7n cube. Now this is x, this is y. Put it in the formula and find the answer. Look at it very carefully. Question number 11. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz is a very good question. Now see, we have an identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. The identity says x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is a whole identity and you have to cram this identity at any cost. Got it? So how we will use it? X cube remain. The question is 27x cube. I can write it as 3x cube, y cube as it is, z cube as it is, minus 3x, x is 3x now. 3x into y into z. Now put it in the formula. X is 3x, 3x plus y plus z. X is 3x, 3x square plus y square plus z square. X is 3x, 3xy, minus y into z, minus z into 3x. Further solve it. This bracket will remain as it is, 3x plus y plus z. 3x square will become 9x square, y square plus z square, minus 3xy, minus yz, minus 3xz. Got it? One of the very important and the very interesting formula. This identity which we have used, it will be used further also in the remaining questions. Now see, one of the most important question in the whole chapter polynomial. Question number 12. Verify x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to this. We will take RHS. This side we will be taking a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. This will remain as it is, 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z. Open the square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus y square minus 2xy. Plus y square plus z square minus 2yz. Plus z square plus x square minus 2zx. I can see that there are 2x square, 2x square, y square, 2y square, z square, 2z square. I will write it as 2x square, 2y square, 2z square, minus 2xy, minus 2yz, minus 2zx. What is common in this? 2. What is common? 2. I have taken out 2 as common. 2 will cancel out with this half. Yes or no? 2 will get cancelled out. What will remain? X square plus y square plus z square, sorry, x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xyz, xy minus yz minus zx, which is equal to the identity which we have just now studied. Yes or no? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. And we have to prove this only. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz only. Proved? Got it? Happy? LHS is equal to RHS. Now see question number 13. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Now, we know this identity once again, which we have used earlier also. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz क्या होता है? Is equal to this identity. But it is given in the question x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Yes or no? Put this as 0. 0 into any number? 0. Now minus 3xyz will go to this side. It will become 3xyz. Yes or no? Prove this formula. Proved. x cube plus y plus z, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Simply just write the formula, put this is equal to 0, 0 multiplied by any number is 0, take this negative to positive sign, answer is in front of your eyes. Now see question number 14. Calculate the cubes but not directly. Again, we know the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube 3xyz, just now we have used. So without actually performing the cubes, just write like this. A cube plus b cube plus c cube or x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to क्या होता है 3xyz. What is x? Minus 12. What is y? 7. What is z? 5. Directly I've got the answer. And do the remaining parts. Do question number 15 and 16 as homework. This completes your chapter. God bless you all of you. We will start with a new chapter on Monday. God bless you.